This is very powerful mudra. The name says everything. It's a mudra which has many benefits by practicing of it, which has include increasing of the prana, the life force, and one of the best mudra to balance our energy, increase the lungs capacity, and one of the best mudra to strengthen up your muscles. Namaste everyone, welcome to Hamsa Yoga. This is me Gangotri Yogi and welcome back to another mudra episode. In today's video, we are going to learn mudra called as Mandalamudra. This is one of the tricky and difficult mudra to perform, but one of the special beneficial it has. Mandala means nothing but the circle. Even this mudra also called as circle gesture or a round gesture. This is Ashtamudra. This mudra should be done during the meditation practice or else while you are praying for the God. When you hold this mudra actually symbolizes for the surrendering to the God. When you hold this mudra and just start praying for the God, start asking for the God what you want. So this is a way of surrendering yourself, sending out all the ego, sending out everything. You're just surrendering yourself, just bending your head to the God. While you are praying, just hold this mudra and see the magic. Mandala is a Sanskrit word which means a cosmic or the universe. Mandala can also translate it as a geographical structure, a round, circular. This shape are symbolized of the Hindu and the Buddhist religion. It believed that when you observe this mandala, the circle, the shape, the size of it, actually that makes you feel so calmer and so calm. You can experience the calmness, the full of calmness. There is also another name for this mudra is Mandala Arpana Mudra or Harpan Mudra. The Harpan is nothing but a surrendering. This is a Sanskrit word. It's called as surrendering. I mentioned before, just you need to hold this mudra with the surrenderness and you can pray for your God to ask anything. Mandalas are the geographical pattern that believes to be associated with the universal energy pattern. Let's see how to do this mudra, and this is one of the little complicated mudra. Just look at this video carefully and try it again. The contraindication is when you are performing this mudra, just be gentle while you are pressing your fingers. Apart from that, anyone and everyone can practice this mudra. Let's look at me carefully. First, interlock the fingers this way and lock your little finger with the thumb finger like this. The bending of the index to middle finger lock. Open up the ring finger like this. This is how you need to practice the Mandala Mudra. This is Mandala Mudra. I will show you once again. Practice this mudra keeping in front of your chest to get proper benefits out doing this mudra. How long you need to practice this mudra? This mudra is little difficult mudra. I suggest you to practice for 2 to 3 minutes beginning time. Later as you get practice with doing this mudra, you can do continuously for 10 minutes to get a proper benefits while performing this mudra. Let's see what are the benefits by performing this mudra. This mudra is one of the amazing mudra to increase the concentration, the focus, one of the best mudra to keep yourself practiced towards the spirituality. It's believed that practicing this mudra helps in removing the negative energy from your life. Negative thoughts are the cause for life suffering, isn't it? It helps in replacing the negative thoughts with the positive one, as we know that one can't be stimulately have a negative and the positive thought. Negative thoughts will be disappear sooner if you learn to be positive thoughts in your mind. When you practice this mudra, which helps in getting rid of evil thoughts or evil eyes with the emotion, which will replace with the positivity and the positive feeling. The upward pointed finger symbolize the Mount Meru, so it is believed that practicing this mudra brings the Meru, that means a calmness, the stillness and the strength in your life. This mudra practice brings a cosmic energy in our body. So that's it for today. Hope you practice this amazing mudra. This is very powerful mudra. The name says everything, isn't it? So that's it for today. See you on another video. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Namaste. Let's practice mudra. Let's be happy. Be happy. Take care. Bye bye.